So of course I had to go live on this one to record it. So this is the first time I've seen an F-150 Lightning in person. When I was watching the video on the introduction of the truck, I couldn't really tell how big the bed was. It looked short, but I wasn't 100% sure. It is definitely short. I don't know if they plan to ever come out with an 8-foot bed. I think that's its biggest limitation in my mind. Now, according to the sticker I was reading on the other side, it says it takes a total of 10 hours on a 240 volt to fully charge. Let me see if I can find that information on here again. I forget where I saw that. But this thing with the options they put on is like $80,000. There it is. That's the price. Hard to read through this tint. Yeah, $80,749. Said you got like 320 miles per charge, I think it said. Now, of course, once you start driving an EV vehicle, you know how widely these ranges can go. I'm assuming it's a conservative range. There's the charge time there. 10.1 hours and 320 miles. But it's definitely, I don't care what none of the haters say or the sheep say, you know, it's a beautiful looking truck. I mean, that's a sweet looking truck. It doesn't have an 8-foot bed. And if you're getting it to do work, man, you want that 8-foot bed to put some rocks in, put mulch in. And obviously you don't need a really opened up grill because there's no longer a purpose for it because you're not cooling an engine down. Looks like it's got the tow hooks down here on the bottom. What size shoes does it have here? So it has 20-inch rims on here. But that there, I don't care what anybody says. It's a beautiful truck. It just needs an 8-foot bed and be more affordable for someone like me. But, you know, I get it. Trucks nowadays are right around this price. So it is what it is.